Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we'll walk you through the best service plans out there and give you tips on how to make sure you're getting the most value. Let's jump right in. Benefits of having a service plan. Why should you invest in a service plan? The advantages go beyond just cost savings, predictable expenses, no more surprise bills for individual maintenance tasks. Everything is covered under a single plan. Preventative maintenance. Small issues get addressed before they snowball into major breakdowns. It's like a tune-up for your health. Prevention is always cheaper than a cure. Resale value. A well-maintained truck holds its value better. Buyers are more confident purchasing a vehicle with a consistent service record. Convenience. No need to worry about scheduling or forgetting maintenance tasks. Most plans include reminders to keep you on track. Think of a service plan as a safety cushion. It not only protects your truck but also simplifies your routine. Choosing the right service plan. Picking the right service plan doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by considering how you use your truck. Evaluate your driving habits. Do you use your truck for long hauls, heavy towing, or light daily driving? Match the plan to your intensity of use. Understand coverage. Look closely at what's included. Are there any gaps in maintenance the plan doesn't address? Compare providers. Some dealerships offer manufacturer-backed plans, while other providers may give you more flexibility. Check the fine print. Pay attention to restrictions, such as limited service locations or exclusions. Ask questions. Not sure about coverage? Don't hesitate to clarify what's included and what's not. An ideal service plan fits your budget and ensures your truck runs like new, whether it's fresh off the lot or pushing higher mileage. Think about where you're driving, how often, and what kind of support you need. The importance of understanding truck warranties and service plans. Truck warranties and service plans may seem straightforward, but their value goes far beyond a simple contract. Knowing how they work is essential for protecting your truck and your wallet. Let's break down why being informed about these protections is so important. Protecting your investment. Buying a truck is no small expense, it's a significant financial commitment. Warranties and service plans act as safeguards to help protect that investment. Imagine buying a brand new truck only to face a costly repair just months later. Without a warranty, those expenses come straight out of your pocket. A good warranty can offset these costs, ensuring your truck remains a dependable workhorse without draining your savings. Service plans are equally important. Regular maintenance keeps your truck running smoothly and helps you avoid emergency repairs. Whether it's a basic oil change or an in-depth inspection, these plans make upkeep predictable and affordable. Think of them as insurance for your truck's health. By understanding the details of these offerings, you're taking smart steps to ensure your investment lasts as long as possible. Enhancing vehicle longevity and performance. The secret to a long-lasting truck isn't luck, it's proper care. Service plans are designed to help you take care of your vehicle in the best way possible. Routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and filter replacements are small yet crucial tasks that add years to your truck's lifespan. They also keep your truck in peak performance, ensuring it can handle heavy loads and long drives without skipping a beat. Skipping scheduled maintenance can lead to wear and tear spiraling into bigger problems. A neglected engine won't just need repairs, it might need a full replacement. Regular upkeep provided by a service plan ensures you're fixing little issues before they become unmanageable. It's like keeping up with doctor visits for your health. Maintenance now avoids serious setbacks later. Plus, a well-maintained truck is more fuel efficient, reliable, and safer to drive. Performance doesn't just mean speed or power, it's about consistency, and consistency comes from sticking to a proactive maintenance plan. Making informed decisions on repairs and maintenance. When you understand your truck's warranty and service plan, you're in a better position to make confident choices. Got an unexpected repair? You'll know whether it's covered under warranty, saving you from unnecessary out-of-pocket expenses. On the other hand, if it's not covered, you can plan accordingly without surprises. Service plans also simplify planning for routine upkeep. Instead of wondering when your truck needs its next oil change or whether the brakes should be checked, the plan outlines exactly what's covered and when. This knowledge gives you control over your vehicle's maintenance schedule, helping you avoid unnecessary services or missing critical inspections. Being informed also means you're less likely to be taken advantage of at repair shops. You'll know what's included, what isn't, and when to push back. It's like walking into a situation prepared versus winging it. Knowledge is power, and understanding these plans gives you the upper hand. When it comes to warranties and service plans, the more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Taking the time to understand these options ensures your truck stays on the road longer, runs efficiently, and keeps your wallet intact. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.